Welcome to Enigmas of Nature. An interactive virtual workshop series exploring interesting principles of science for kids of all ages. Join us in understanding the wonders of concepts such as magnetism, electricity, and more as they apply to us and the natural world. We will begin by exploring the basics with interactive demonstrations and some experiments that can even be performed at home. Enigmas of Nature. Our introduction information session will be held on Saturday, May 30th for all to attend. Please join us for this summer's Orexian Foundation Science for Fun activities.